What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Wadahu back at it again with another video. Today we got our final walk with the single cab. We're gonna be doing a little walk around video. I feel like the truck's gonna be leaving us here pretty soon, as I did post it up for sale. So let's walk around and show you guys all the goodies it has now. First things first, crazy customs leveling kit. Then we got the 17-inch chrome plated Method MR315s wrapped around with some 37-inch Terra Grappler G2s. It's gonna be a really short video, but I just wanted to give you guys a little walk around. That chrome plating is busting. Yeah, it's not a normal exhaust tip. Forgot to tell you guys that a homeless stole my emissions off the truck, so you know I had to do what I had to do. So let me show you guys what it sounds like now. Pop the hood for you guys. So I don't even know if I mentioned this in the video when I bought the truck. It is on a Fleece Cheetah Turbo. I really recommend it. Luckily I bought it with the truck, so I didn't have to install it myself. The exhaust brake works way better than a stock one, because I have buddies with deleted trucks that have the exhaust brake obviously, and it doesn't pull as hard as this one, not like that. So yeah, I would recommend a Fleece Cheetah. On a single tune. I don't have a on-the-fly switch or a monitor inside, because I feel like the way I drive I would have blown this transmission up here pretty quickly with any more tunes. So we just did a single tune, nothing too crazy. When you get on it, it throws a little smoke. When you don't, you drive it normal, it drives like a normal truck. And of course with my luck, I got a crack on the windshield from one side all the way to the other. Yeah, pretty simple inside, nothing crazy. So I've seen a lot of people use these gadgets, like this one for example. It's the one that goes on your head and you just record that POV from right in the front. So I'm probably gonna throw it on. Never used it before. Actually I think I did when I went to the lake in the vlog, so if you guys want to go check that out, it was probably a while ago. But let's throw it on and get some driving clips for you guys. This GoPro thing is wild. You can start it from here, because if you're driving you don't want to be touching your phone or whatever. But alright, first time driving with the GoPro on my head. Not like that. So if you drive normal, you can get on it, nothing will happen. But if you floor it, then the smoke comes out. Alright, about to go get me an elote. You guys see him right there? Raspado's a little hot today, so it feels pretty weird because I got the GoPro on top of my head and I'm just gonna be talking. But I feel like I still left out a lot of things on the truck. I wanted to do a full color match. I was gonna get the mirrors with chrome and then color match this part white. Never got to do that, but I mean, it is what it is. I kind of got bored, so I want to give me either, oh, I shouldn't even tell you guys, never mind. Comment down below what you guys think of what I'm getting next. Might be a car, it might be a truck, who knows. go down really low. I'm at like 1,000 RPMs and it's still going on. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm gonna try to throw in some more clips that I have of the truck, either from the phone or even if I have some in the camera, I'll throw them in there just because I know this is gonna be a really short vlog. But like I said, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.